Hello students. Today we will see the difference between the autotrophs and heterotrophs, symbiotic relationship, some experiment that how can we see the photosynthesis is going on in any plant and some other mode of nutrition. So let's start. Now let's see the difference between autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophs are those organisms that make their own food by themselves. For example, plant, protists, and some bacteria. Heterotrophs. Heterotrophs are those organisms that cannot make their own food. For example, we human, fungi, and some bacteria. Now, let's see what is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process where plants use carbon dioxide, sunlight, water, and mineral to prepare their food. So, we already studied about this. As you can see, food is stored in form of starch or glucose. It is also a form of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is the combination of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So what about other component? If the plant is making carbohydrate, so how the protein and fats will come? So let's see how other components like protein and fat are stored in form of energy or food by the plant. There are some bacteria called rhizobium helps the plant to fix other component and they provide the nitrogen to the plant. In return, the plant provide shelter for that bacteria. And this is how the plant produce other component also like protein and fats, vitamins and minerals. So now let's see how can we identify the presence of carbohydrate in leaves. For this we will take two types of leaves. One is green and one is of any color. So we will put one drop of iodine in that leaves and see the color changes. If the color will appear as a blue black like in purple, so we can identify the presence of iodine in that leaf. It means the process of photosynthesis is going on and hence we can identify the form of food that is carbohydrate is present in that leaves. There are some other mode of nutrition in heterotrophic. So let's see. First one is insectivorous plant. Insectivorous plants are those plants which derive their nutrition by consuming insect. For example, Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. They kill the insect to get the nutrition. Parasitic mode of nutrition is that heterotrophic nutrition in which parasites live on a body or inside the body to get the nutrition. The example of parasitic mode will be a marble, that is cascata. Now the saprophytic mode of nutrition. It is also the heterotrophic mode of nutrition where the organism depend on dead or decaying matter for their food. For example, mushroom which comes under fungi. The next is symbiotic relationship. A relationship in which two organisms mutually benefit from each other is called symbiosis. For example, lichen, which is the association between algae and fungi. Here, the algae provide food for the fungi. In return, the fungi provide water and mineral along with the shelter to algae. Hope you understand this chapter. See you in next video. Thank you.